Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a portfolio website without coding. While there are numerous website builders that you can use, the best that I would recommend is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is easy to use, beginner friendly, and you can get started for completely free. With Wix, all you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. Then from there, you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And I want you to pay attention to the search bar on the left-hand column. From here, you can search for whatever type of portfolio you would like to create. So for example, if I were to type in portfolio right here, you will see numerous subcategories that you can go into. So for example, digital media portfolio, creative portfolio, journalist portfolio, UI design portfolio, game writing portfolio. Whichever subcategory you'd like to go in or niche, you can choose from here. But I'm just going to be selecting general portfolio. Then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll now be able to add a name for your website. So once it loads up, you can add your name. So you can see it right there. I'll leave it as Simple Answers. Then we're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you can choose the apps that you would like to add. Obviously, we're going to be adding the portfolio app. You can also choose whether you'd like to display your Instagram feed. You can also add the blog app. And if it is a case that you would like to share videos, you could select video. And you can see numerous other options that you can quickly add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select portfolio. After selecting portfolio, from here you can choose what type of portfolio you would like to upload, and you could upload it with the assistance of the Wix AI, or you can tap on set up without AI. By selecting Setup Without AI, you will see some preloaded photos or portfolio right here, and you can remove them by tapping on the box in the top left hand corner. Then you could tap on Delete Selected, or you can choose to either hide them. And to add your own portfolio, you will tap on Add Project in the top right hand corner. Then you can give your project a name. Then tap on Next and you can add in your description. Then add in the basic information. Then you can select media and you could upload the media from your computer. Once you're finished, you'll be able to save it, and that's it. You can also create collections by tapping on Manage Collections. You can create numerous collections. And if it is a case that you would like to create some blog articles, you can select blog from the left hand menu option. Then you can tap on Create New Post. Once you have selected Create New Post, you can create your first blog article. So you could type in your title right here and you can start writing. Another thing that you can also do with Wix, you can use their AI tools to write an article for you. So you can see different topics that you can quickly write with their AI at the bottom of the page. And you could also tap on AI tools in the top left hand corner. Once you're finished with that, we can go back and continue with our setup. You're going to tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select Design Site in the top right hand corner. Now you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to the Templates page. And from here, you can scroll down and you will see numerous different templates that you can choose from. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix, as with these templates, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So you can select any one of these templates to your liking. And if you don't see any that you like, you can tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you can go even more specific. But for this example, I'm going to be using this one. So we'll just tap on Edit. After selecting edit, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can choose to input some information right here and tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will compose content that can be added to your site. Normally I would close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And this is how my website looks at the moment. To start editing it is quite easy and straightforward. All you'll need to do is hover over the sections that you'd like to edit, and you're going to see quick edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting quick edit, from there you can change the background, you can change the title, and also the vector art. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to edit each section. And you can edit any text by simply hovering over the text and tapping on it. You can select edit text, and you can make any changes you want. You can change the text, you can change the font color and font size, and so on. And if it is a case that you'd like to add an element that you don't see, so for example, let's say I would like to add a button right here. All I would need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on add elements. Then you can see the numerous elements that you have right here. And I could hover over button for example sake. And let's say I would like to add this button which says view more. All I would need to do is drag and place it. After you have added the button, you can change the button text and so on. By simply tapping right here on design, I could change the color. As you can see here, I can customize the design. I can also tap on settings, and I could edit the text which says view more. And I can also choose what it displays. As you can see right there, text only or icon only. And you can also choose the link that you would like to redirect persons to. So for example, let's say I want to redirect them to a particular page on my website. I can tap right there which page, and I can choose the page, then tap on done. Now that I've done that, I can close this, and whenever someone visits my website and taps on this button, they'll be redirected to that page. And talking about pages, to view the pages on your website, you will tap on page in the top left hand corner, and you can see all of the pages. And to add a page, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. And then you could tap on add page, and you could add a page if you want, as you can see right here. There are numerous different options that you have. You have general, you have contact page. There are so many different options that you can quickly get access to on Wix. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Your website will now be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.